Okay, so since I got the fenders and the front bumper on, I ran into another little problem. So the rad has been pushed so far forward, I needed clearance for the turbo inside the engine bay. But what I didn't realize was that this socket here for the turn signal is now, it's too big. It doesn't fit in the lens. So I have to come up with a solution for that. So my solution is I ended up finding a 3157 socket for the bulb, and it's on the 90, and I'm gonna see if that works. So I know it fits into the housing. I've already test fit it, and hopefully that gives me a little bit of clearance between the rad and the light. So let's see what happens. Okay, next step is to figure out the wiring. So I'm gonna just I got my little pen test light ready to go. Before I cut the head, I just want to know which wire is the turn signal, and it's the green one here. So I'm good there. Okay, so carrying on, I got the socket into the lens, new bulb in, and as you can see, the socket is on a 90-degree away from the rad versus the stock one that goes straight towards it. So that gives me a little bit of clearance, and I've also added two little small washers here to also just kick the lens out just a little bit more, just for that extra little space away. So now I'm just gonna put everything in and then realign the lights. Or there we go. All right, so that's in space. That's in line, and I got about 1/2 inch now of the plug. I'll try to show you guys in a second here. Of the right there, there it is. And there's the space from the rad. There it is. So that works now. I'm about 1/2 inch away from the rad. Okay, so the wiring is all done. I adjusted the alignments. It's pretty good considering I had to kick this one out. Everything basically here is brand new lights, brand new bulbs, brand new wiring. So now I'm just gonna double check and make sure everything is good. Okay, so looking good. Okay, that's perfect, just a day runner. And we got the signal going, so. All right, so everything looks to be working properly, so I'm going to do the exact same job on the passenger side and call it a day. So that was my version of a headlight mod, and it's a great option for anyone that's tight on space from having to move their rad for it. So I hope you guys like that little fix. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching.